won't be really talking about 3D printing, but a model that I'm printing right now, it's running on the printer right now. It's going to be this thing where um, a generator, this one right here, will be inside this and basically generate infinite power. This thing, this part right here, will be on the generator. This thing on this, and I'll put magnets into this so that when I lower this thing, they'll have magnets too. When I lower it, it will start make this thing spin and will generate power for this motor that will maybe like spin a fan or something. Yeah. Um. Hopefully it works out. Should be a pretty simple design. Yeah. I'm thinking of making the thing spin this fan right here. Hopefully it'll have enough power. It should generate about 3 volts, so that should be about enough. And here are all the parts. I sliced them already, and it's printing on the printer right now, so yeah, hopefully it turns out well.